Hello everyone. Here I am with a video of a Google form for the teachers to show how to create the Google form for examination in which the child can prepare the answers in the form of image or PDF and send it to the teacher through Google form itself. So it will be very easy for the teacher to do the correction. And how to create the Google form was already showed by me in my previous video. So here it is a continuation of the same video with some more new methods. So let us begin. So here I am going to share the screen so that I'll go to the Google form, which I have already created with the name demo. As you all know, the basic setting that is to be done for a quiz or the exam in the Google form. So I have done all that setting, and now I'm coming straight away to the part where I have to add the question. Now here, after all the initial requirement, date, class, name of the student, all those things are over. Now here I have to add a question for which the child will be preparing the PDF and will be sending through Google form itself. Now for that, the teacher has to prepare a question. We can also give one question separately, and the student will write that one answer on a page and send it to the Google form. But it will be very difficult for the student to prepare one PDF separately. So what we can do is we can make the questions combine in one image. We can take the image and we can put it here. So I'm going to select the image. First, I will do this a required question because the student have to attempt this question. So I will select the image which I've already kept saved on my desktop. So I will select this. In the form of image, it will get inserted in this Google form. So now you can see, I can resize it. It is taking a lot of space. I can make it small, or if you think that students will not be able to see the question properly if they're doing in the mobile phone, you can enlarge the image. That is up to you. Now I don't want the options because here there are 2 questions, and for 2 questions there are 5 subparts also. So the students cannot attempt the options. So in place of multiple choice question, I have to change it to the file upload because the student will be uploading the file. I will click continue. Now, this is the question. There can be 2 questions, 3 questions, as many questions we want in one image. So it will be easy for the students. Now, here are some more settings which is to be done. First of all, we have to select this allow specific file type, like which specific files we want the student to send us. It can be in form of document, it can be a PDF, or it can be simple image. Now, if our answers are big enough for that, students will be using 5 pages. So they can send us 5, 10, depending upon their answers. And the maximum file size can be 10 MB, that is more than enough. Now here, what I will be doing is, all the other settings are done like this. Answer key, I can give, or I can also leave that depending how I want to give the answer. Like all the questions have to be evaluated. That has to be done by the teacher manually. So here I can leave these points value because already I have given 10 marks here. So that after evaluation, we can give. Now I'll put here done. So in this way, our Google form is created where the child can easily upload the question. But this portion is for the teacher, which tells us how the Google form can be created. And it will be very easy for the teacher to upload the questions. Because one by one uploading the question, as I told before, it will be very difficult. So better take a screenshot of the question paper that you have created, put it in your mail, download it on your desktop, and you can attach it all together. So in this way, you can create the Google form for the students to submit the PDF. Thank you very much.